Hello, welcome to Vainqueur's Vanity Secrets. I'm Amrit. I'm a Toronto-based model, and today you and I are going to get runway ready together by using a lot of masks to achieve glowy, fresh, hydrated skin so we can strut down that runway literally looking so fresh. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, I go in with my CeraVe Salicylic Acid Cleanser and I just pat that dry. The next step I essentially discovered because back in 2022 when I was dealing with very severe cystic acne, I was down in the dumps for 2 days. I did not shower, nor did I brush my teeth. I was depressed. As I was making my breakfast on the third day, I just thought to myself, yo, you gotta get it together. You must go shower, you must go brush your teeth. You got it, babes, like you gotta put it together. But obviously when you're depressed, the last thing that you really want to do is take care of yourself. So as I was making my breakfast, I made a smoothie with a banana, and I thought to myself, girl, when you go out in public, you cannot go out with a banana in your face, you know? Like maybe that's gonna, if I wipe this banana on my face, it will motivate me to jump in the shower because I'm not about to go out in public with a banana on my face. That's where I draw the line. This has been my holy grail. Essentially, I just go like this, but banana peels are rich in antioxidants, and they also contain ethanolic compounds which help with the hydration. And when I had really bad cystic acne, this did not irritate my skin, and afterwards my skin felt so supple and hydrated, but also it didn't feel congested as it did prior to. I'm literally dripping. So I just rinsed off the banana peel, and I don't use a towel to really lock in the moisture. I like to pat my face dry, and I just wait for it to dry on its own. So the second mask I use is a Haldi mask with besan and mustard oil. This has been around for centuries in my culture. However, I've been consistently using it since 2018. Besan is chickpea flour, haldi is turmeric, mustard oil is mustard oil. If you want to make this at home, you can get all these ingredients from the Indian superstore. Essentially, the reason I've been using this consistently is February of 2018, I had flown home to the UK during my reading week, and at the time I had really bad acne because girl was stressed. Like, it was a really tough academic and personal year for me, and on top of that, like, I did not consume any veggies. I swear, my diet was purely bagels and oatmeal. I kid you not. That's all I ate second year. As soon as I got home from the airport, my mom literally slapped this on my face. Did not ask for consent, she just put it on. And after I washed it off, I began crying because it was the first time since December of 2017 that my skin actually felt soothed. My inflammation was down, and I felt like I finally did something productive for the health of my skin. Alright, so I washed the Haldi mask off and patted the water into my skin, and genuinely my skin feels like it can breathe. My pores are breathing so well right now. They don't feel congested, which is perfect in preparation for our last mask, which is the yogurt honey mask. So I use raw honey. I got this from Superstore. And then the Siggy's plain yogurt. It has to be plain. The honey is really good for eczema due to its emollient properties and its high sugar content, and that's what makes it so hydrating. And on top of that, it's an anti-inflammatory and it has antioxidants in it. And then the yogurt has probiotics, so it helps to fight P. acne bacteria, which helps to reduce inflammation. So, and it just feels so cooling on the skin, like it feels so nice. 3 accomplishments of mine in relation to modeling thus far is I'm at a place where I can confidently show up as my authentic self to any room I walk into. Second would be Avarice by Mr. Hawk. I'm grateful I'm on the team as the casting director and model lead. The third would be getting signed with Chantal Nadeau. Yeah, and that's just happened recently, so I'm officially a signed model, which... So after the water is all absorbed in, I go in with these 2 products. This one is by Access Y, the dark spot correcting glow serum. And then I use the Curél Intensive Moisture Care. It's fighting for its life right now. So I'll just circle that in, and it makes my skin feel really nice. That did not even go on my hand. I don't even know where that went. But yeah, this is super lightweight. It feels really nice, but on days where I do need a bit more moisture, this one definitely is a better option. And it just looks like that. To finish off, I put a little bit of mustard oil on my lips because we don't want crackly, chappy lips. We want nice, hydrated, plump lips. We are snatched, we're glowy, and the only thing left to do is to serve and strut. So I'll see you there. Bye.